Hello guys, this is Eleftheria Barbagianni from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well and you're preparing yourself for the festive season. In today's video, I have a request. Everybody asked me how to find Pinterest trends. Obviously, Pinterest trends are changing, and every day everything is changing. It's becoming more easy to find, and also is giving us a lot of information that we can use when you first started your account, but also even for those who are years on Pinterest. So first of all, you log into your account and you go to analytics. When you go to your account, make sure you have business account, and then you go trends. It's simple as that. So you can check any country you want, so you can see what is trending this month, next month. Things are changing on trending. It helping us a lot when it comes to keywording, so it's really helping tool. So make sure you know how to use it. And as you can see here, you have it weekly, monthly, yearly, and you have what is obviously is Halloween this month, so they have everything that is trending on the top. So that's very useful for those who are going to pin seasonal content. So here we have, if you see here guys on the left hand side on trend type, you have top monthly trends, yearly trends, growing trends, seasonal. So you can go for top monthly, for example, for United States, and look at that. You have search volume, you have the keywords. Is really the key. So make sure you know how to use it, and don't just ignore the facts that Pinterest is giving us all the tools. So don't forget that there is a free course for a 4-day free course. I put the link below for those who want to learn the secrets of Pinterest. There is a lot of secrets, and you really need to master with the new year Pinterest, because no matter what, you need to get what you want from Pinterest. So that's it from today. How to find Pinterest trends. People ask me to do this video, so I can show them. You can see here again keywording, and again here growing trends, seasonal trends. That's it for me today. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave your comments below, and connect with me on social media. Have a great day.